Hello friends, subtraction is a very scary thing when we have to deal with borrowings. So in this video we'll see one more method where there is no borrowing involved, no scary things involved, and very simple. Please share this video if you like with your friends so that more and more number of people can take the advantage of this method, and also don't forget to subscribe below. Please subscribe. We'll see the name of this method is all from 9 and last from 10. The name of this method, I repeat, is all from 9 and last from 10. This is the part 1 of this method. So let's start. We'll start with the first example. So we have to subtract 1000 minus 864. This method is very good for subtracting from base numbers. So 864 is a 3-digit number. For this number, the base number is 1000. So if we have to subtract 864 from 1000, we'll use this method. So just see the number of digits. The number of digits are 3 and the number of zeros are also 3. So we'll straight away go ahead with this. Name of the method is again all from 9 and last from 10. Start. Step number 1, reduce this 1 by 1. So this 1 becomes 0. So we can write down 0 here. Then subtract 8 from 9. So 9 minus 8 is 1. Subtract 6 from 9. So 9 minus 3 is 6. And subtract last from 10. So subtract 4 from 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6. So answer to 1000 minus 864 is 136. We can remove this 0 if we want later. This was just for explanation. We'll take up one more example. 1000 minus 307. There are 3 digits in the number and there are 3 zeros. First reduce this 1 by 1, so 1 becomes 0. We don't need to write down. Then subtract 3 from 9, so 9 minus 3 is 6. Subtract 0 from 9, 9 minus 0 is 9. And subtract 7 from 10, so 10 minus 7 is 3. So answer of 1000 minus 307 is 693. 1000 minus 582, subtract, reduce 1 by 1, so 0, we don't need to write, we'll straight away come to the number. Subtract 5 from 9, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 8, 1, 10 minus 2, 8. This is the answer. We'll take up smaller examples. 100 minus 78, 2-digit number, 2 zeros, 9 minus 7, 2, 10 minus 8, 2. 2 zeros, 2-digit number, 9 minus 4 is 5, 10 minus 2 is 8. So 100 minus 42 is 8. 100 minus 92, 9 minus 9 is 0, 10 minus 2 is 8. Of course, 100 minus 92 is 08, we all know. We'll take a few more examples. 10,000 minus 8877, 4-digit number, and there are 4 zeros here. Start, all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1 again, 9 minus 7 is 2, and 10 minus 7 is 3. So 10,000 minus 8877 is 1123. Now what happens when we have to subtract 1000 minus, we have to do 1000 minus 720. Please remember, if there is a 0 here, you have to use last from 10 to the number which is just before this. So we will apply all from 9 to this 7 and last from 10 to this 2. So we'll do it. 9 minus 7 is 2 and last from 10 we have to apply to this number 2 because there is a 0 before this, after this. So 10 minus 2 is 8 and this 0 we'll just put it here. So 1000 minus 720 is 280. We'll take up one more example. 1000 minus 440, there is a 0 here. So last from 10 will be applied to this 4. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 10 minus 4 is 6, and this 0 we straight away put here. So 1000 minus 440 is 560. One more example like this. There is a 0 here, 4 zeros here. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. There is 0 here, so we'll apply 10 here. So 10 minus 7 is 3, and we'll put the 0 here straight away. So 10,000 minus 6370 is 3630. One more example of 10,000 minus 6300. Now there are two zeros here. So last from 10 will be applied to this 3. Remember, last from 10 will be applied to the number which is just before these zeros. So 9 minus 6 is 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. And these zeros will put as it is. So answer of 10,000 minus 630 is 3700. It is very, very simple. We'll take a few more examples. Now 1000 minus 86. So here the number of digits are 2 and number of zeros are 4. But no worries. Reduce this 10 by 1. So this 10 becomes 9. And apply all from 9, last from 10 rule here. So 9 minus 8 is 1 and 10 minus 6 is 4. So 1000 minus 86 is 914. One more example. 1093, there are 2 digits here and 3 zeros. So before these 2 zeros we have 10. We'll reduce this 10 by 1. So this 10 becomes 9. And then 9 minus 9 is 0 and 10 minus 3 is 7. One more example, 10,000 minus 678. So there are 3 digits and there are 3 zeros. So we reduce this 10 by 1, so 10 becomes 9. And now 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 7 is 2, and 10 minus 8 is 2 again. So this is our answer. One more example, 10,000 minus 177. So 3 digits, 3 zeros, 10, reduce 10 by 1, so 10 becomes 9. Then 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 7 is 2, and since 7 is the last number, we'll subtract this from 10, so 10 minus 7 is 3. So answer of 10,000 minus 177 is 9823. We'll take up one more example here. Now this is a 2-digit number and we have to subtract from 10,000, which has 4 zeros. Remember, 4 zeros. So before these 2 zeros, there is 100. We'll reduce this 100 by 1. So 100 minus 1 is 99. So we write down 99. Then apply the same rule. 9 minus 8 is 1 and 10 minus 5 is 5. Clear? I hope this is very, very clear to you. One more example. 10,000 minus 50. 2 zeros. Just before zeros, there is 100. We reduce this 100 by 1. So this 100 becomes 99. Now there is a 0 here. So last from 10 is applied to 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5 and we'll put this 0 as it is, straight. Remember, last from 10 will be applied to this 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5 and we put this 0 directly. So 10,000 minus 50 is 9950. We'll take up one more example. 10,000 minus 200. 200 has 3 digits. So 3 zeros. Before these 3 zeros there is 10. We reduce this 10 by 1. So 10 becomes 9. Then last from 10 is applied to this 2 because there are 2 zeros after this. So 10 minus 2 becomes 8. And we'll put these 2 zeros as it is. So 10,000 minus 200 becomes 9800. So friends, practice this as much as you can with as many examples as you can and become a master of this. Remember, all from 9, last from 10. We'll see more examples in part 2 of this. Till then, have a nice time.